I would say bringing energy to the table and positivity, but in a way that you don't have your rosy glasses on all of the time, and you are able to navigate through both positive times as well as difficult times. That really shows great leadership. I think a lot of times when things are going well, it's easy to be a better leader. Also, I think it's really important to be a good listener to your team, and that honesty, integrity, and building trust and building relationships is absolutely critical as well. And I think someone who surrounds themselves with people who are smarter than them and builds a team of experts that they can really rely on, and really create this sort of overarching team that works together, I think is really important. So building that team atmosphere, I think is critical from a leadership perspective.
Being a great leader for me is being open and honest with your team, being direct, being willing to try new things. It's also helping your team grow. We're all, doing new things differently than we have in the past. So you've got to be open to try new things and then support your team along the way and have a little fun while you're doing it. Everybody's working really, really hard, and we sometimes forget to have a little fun. So I think that makes somebody worth working for and with. And you have to have trust within the group. With your team, they have to trust you, you have to trust them, and know that everybody's doing the very best job and give the benefit of the doubt along the way.